Press Ctrl-Alt-D to hide your desktop icons. Again Ctrl-Alt-D to unhide. Hide, unhide, hide and unhide. It's a fun, right? So today's video is on how to hide shortcuts from a messy desktop. Maybe you have lots of shortcuts on your desktop like this, or maybe you have even more. You have plenty of shortcuts on all over your desktop, but you don't like to see your desktop in this way. In fact, nobody likes to see a messy desktop. So the general solution is you can delete a lot of program shortcuts from your desktop. Honestly, you don't need all of these shortcuts as you can easily access them from start and all programs, right? I would recommend you to delete unnecessary software shortcuts from your desktop. Just right click and delete. Hit yes. Also, maybe you are saving files directly on your desktop. This is also not a good practice. You can either save the files in documents or save in a specific drive rather than the root drive. But what if you frequently use files and don't want to bother with some extra works, like each and every time opening document folder or a drive to find files? If so, then please continue watching the video. I'm going to show you how you can hide desktop icons with just the help of keyboard shortcut. Unfortunately, Windows doesn't provide any keyboard shortcut like this, so we are gonna make one of our own. First of all, we'll download a software. I provided the link in description. Just copy it and paste inside your browser. You can see this software is only 87 kilobytes, so it's very lightweight one. Also, be ensured that this software is totally virus and bug free. I have been using it for almost 1.5 years and never ever found any kind of problem in my laptop. Okay, after downloading this software, we'll go to download folder, and this one is our software. I'll just cut it, and then I'll paste it in a separate drive. Okay, now this software is in zipped format. I'll just right click and unzip it. Okay, now I'll just right click on it and click on pin to start menu. This is pin to start menu. Well, now our software is pinned in start menu. You can see it is right on the top of the start menu. Now I'll just right click on it and go to properties. In shortcut key field, I'll just click once and then I will hit Ctrl-Alt-D from my keyboard. Ctrl-Alt-D. Now I'll hit on apply and OK. Now whenever I will hit Ctrl-Alt-D from my keyboard, my desktop icons will be disappeared. Well, first time when we will press Ctrl-Alt-D, we will see this window, and we just need to uncheck the checkbox from here and click on run button. And now, voila, you can see all the desktop icons are disappeared. If you want to keep hiding your desktop shortcuts, leave it in this way and continue working on any file or continue listening to your favorite music. Just hit Ctrl-Alt-D again once you need to access any file which is saved on your desktop.